Okay, we're getting ready to light this thing off. So we got the I got the auxiliary pump working in the carburetor. So make sure we got some fuel in there. So I'm gonna light this thing off, see what happens. Here. Why don't you go stand over there, get Scooby out of the way.
Come on, Scooby, come here. Come on, Scooby, come on. Come here, come on. It's gonna get loud. Come here, buddy.
He likes noise.
Okay, just not big bangs.
Well, you ain't gonna like this either, but unless he leaves, he's stuck here. Okay. Oh, this is a kickstart light.
I've only been working on it for 2 weeks.
Got any lights up here now?
Yeah.
All right. Dumbass. Now we get some juice. Tried to fire already. Generator's not working though. Jumper water. Well, I would run in instantly. Okay. So we go and polarize the generator. Not much of a spark happening over there. Ooh, Scooby. Scooby don't like that noise. Come on, Scooby.
Fuck.
That'll piss him off. He's locked in the back. We got a fuel jug open over here.
Here, oh yeah.
Wait for fire to start. Smells like fumes in here too already. Camera wasn't even filming.
I thought you were shutting it off again.
I was starting the bike up whenever we're filming.
All right, we're filming.
Well, you already missed it. I already started twice. That's 2 kicks, 2 starts. Okay, the generator finally started to work there after running for about a minute and a half. It started fluttering, and then it went out finally, so I don't know why it took so long. So the, that's all right, we'll let the oil settle in. What are you kicking over there? Tripod? Okay, we got a little bit of foam in the oil tank, but not too bad. Notice how easy it starts with the ignition? Alright, so generator is finally working. I don't know why it took so long to work. Wait, camera. Wait. We're doing an oil pressure test. Oh, you dumbass. I didn't put I screwed up. You wait to see how long before the light comes on after you shut the motor off, but I have to turn the ignition back on. Oh well. The brakes warmed up. You want to know what your oil level was? Or is? It's way the hell down here now. So I think we need to put some more oil in the tank.
Okay.
And we got the motor's warmed up slightly. So that's the first go around on that. Exhaust pipe's getting kind of toasty. Is it like that before?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking the drum's probably a little warm. Yeah, it's not too bad. There's no drag on that brake now. So we'll take it up a notch. Give it a full turn, 2 flats. That's more than 2 flats. Flats, each one of those half turns.
Oh.
So drop it into the hole. Is it in the hole? Quit moving it. Quit moving it. See that bent rim? Okay, take it up some more. Give me another full turn. 1 crescent mark. 2 crescent marks. Now, how's that going to work? Do you know what the crescent marks do, don't you? They keep the brake from unscrewing. Have a slight drag spot in it now. So that's got a light drag. Got about 1 inch of free play here at most. It's a good starting point. Alright, so we burned the brake in for you a little bit. You could probably take it up a little more if you wanted to, but it still prims pretty freely. I'd say go another position. Give it another full turn. Not unscrew it. Tighten it.
Oh shit.
That's half. 1. There you go. Hit the brake a couple times real quick over there. Okay, stop. And still spinning pretty freely. How much pedal you got now? About the same. Alright, keep tightening it up until the brake, ride it, and keep moving it up until you don't feel drag in it. You're not riding it now, you're just pulling it, but go ahead and give it another turn, what the hell. We ain't dragging nothing yet. Okay, let go. Okay, see how we're starting it?
Yeah.
Stop on it twice. Let's see if it frees up. Okay. We're just starting to get a very, very light drag. So we're good. I'd leave it there. So feel your pedal, you know how much the pedal would be. So basically we're dropping just below the slip on the case when it's all the way up. So that's your minimum drag you can run at. Scooby's not happy once back in the room. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to go put the air cleaner back on it and check a couple of things. We'll be back. Alright, let's go start it up again. This time you get to do it. Put it about 10 seconds to get oil. That's pretty good. It's holding oil pressure really good. All right, we got the carburetor adjusted. Idle speed's a little bit high, obviously, slightly, but you can bring that down once we get the load off the motor. So I'll drop it just a tick right there. So we'll let it cool off about 5 minutes, and then we'll go take it out and take it around the block about 3 or 4 times. Or go up to Market Street and come back down, however you want to do it.
Up top of the hill and around and back.
Yeah, and then come back down.
Okay.
And just vary the RPM and you know, put a little load on it. It's nice and crisp. Ignition obviously working pretty nice. It's
Yeah.
firing nice and crisp, starting up easy. That's what, 4 starts with 4 kicks. And they're not hard kicks either. They're just about halfway down. It's starting.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah. That's with brand new rings in it, so they're already sealing up a little bit. Got no smoke or anything. So, all right, so we're good for a little bit. We'll let it cool off. We'll take it outside.